Okay, let's understand this. A merchant makes a $10 profit on a jacket that the merchant sells for $30, which means, can I say, the final value is 30. Make sense? Final value is 30. What is the profit we have? $10, which means what is the cost price? 20. Correct? That's all.
Okay.
Correct? So the cost price is here 20. The question is, what is the merchant's cost price as a percent of the jacket selling price? Right? The cost, what is the merchant's cost price as a percent of the jacket selling price? So it means 20 is, question is 20 is what percent of final value selling price? Correct. 20 is equals x percent of what? Final value, that is 30. That's all. Find the value of x. That is a percentage. Can I say x equals 20 into 100 divided by 30? Correct, no? How much you'll get?
Yes.
66.66 percentage. But be careful in the GRE, right? In the GRE, what happens, everybody, is given the condition is given. Nearest whole number. Tell me, if you put 66.66 in this box, the system will take a wrong answer, right? So nearest whole number, what should be? I can say 67%. Correct. So my answer is 67%. Make sense? That is very, very simple, because final value is given, selling price is given $30, and the profit is given 10. So I told you the profit we always add to the original price. What is the original price here? Cost price. So which means the cost price must be a 20. Now the question is, the cost price is as what percent of the jacket selling price? That's why I wrote in a statement, just to make you understand. 20 is what percent of SP, and which means 20 is what percent of 30, right? And we get the answer. And just you rearrange the expression and get the value of x, and that's your answer.